HGH and improved exercise performance. The pituitary gland is responsible for producing 9 hormones that are necessary for maintaining basic human processes like water balance. Reproductive activities depend on the hormones that are produced by the pituitary gland, which is just a pea-sized gland of the endocrine system. One of the hormones produced by the pituitary gland is the human growth hormone, or HGH for short. Human growth hormone is vitally important for healthy cellular metabolism and plays a significant role in promoting physiological functions conducive with optimized physical activity. Part of its 2D structure can be seen behind me on the whiteboard. Human growth hormone causes an increased growth of muscle mass and improved recovery times and energy. These benefits are often considered the holy grail of serious athletes. HGH stimulates lean muscles to gain more mass and grow new sets of muscle mass in fatty areas. These amazing effects can lead to dramatically increased performance for athletes of all stripes. However, it must be noted that lean muscles cannot be strengthened without weightlifting types of exercises. HGH also helps tendons, tissues, and cells to heal faster, allowing for longer, harder training sessions. Repair of damaged cells due to strenuous exercise is greatly increased when you maintain proper levels of human growth hormone. Human growth hormone helps the body rehabilitate from vigorous exercise. Your body has limits when it comes to exercise and physical capacity, and HGH helps extend those limits by speeding up the rate at which your body heals from exercise. It is actually this healing process which directly causes gains in strength and agility associated with exercise. Testosterone amplifies these muscle building effects. To increase exercise performance, the human body needs energy. HGH promotes the burning of stored fats accumulated in the body. By burning these stored fats, the body can have the necessary energy needed to increase exercise performance. This also helps an athlete burn fat without losing muscle mass. Eating the right set of foods helps the body to supply the needed nutrients and minerals necessary for basic body functions. HGH helps the body to distribute nutrients throughout the body by concentrating on the increased blood volume pumped by the heart. In order to maximize the benefits of human growth hormone, it is necessary to engage in both a healthy exercise routine as well as to eat a healthy diet. If you suffer from HGH deficiency, you'll experience benefits just from increased human growth hormone alone. But by also combining HGH injection therapy with a healthy and proactive lifestyle, you magnify the benefits of the treatment. As much as the body needs to increase exercise performance, rest is still an important factor. During rest period, the body stimulates production of natural HGH for the repair of damaged cells and tissues. It is a period of regenerating cells and tissues that are being strained during exercises. The body can only increase exercise performance after a good rest. If the body is strained and fatigued, it may result in negative complications that are proved to be damaging. Human growth hormone has been shown to greatly improve sleep when used properly, assisting the body in getting the downtime it needs to properly repair damaged tissue. The human body produces the majority of its human growth hormone while you are asleep, and if you don't get the sleep that you need, your body will not produce as much HGH, and your body won't respond as readily to exercise. If you are suffering from hormone imbalance, hormone therapy can help you optimize your life and vitality. Please consider clicking the link below in the description to learn more about HGH injection therapy. Thank you.